Hello, this sanitary pad vending machine is being installed in the school under the Nari Samman project by Indus Towers and Pinkish Foundation. So that girl students can get sanitary pads for free during menstruation. In this video, you will learn how to install this machine correctly and safely. You will receive these items with the machine: a sanitary pad vending machine, an antenna, a 5-ampere switchboard, a set of wall plugs and screws. Let's begin the installation. First, choose a location to install the machine. Install the machine on a clean, dry and sturdy wall near the toilet. Choose a location where the girls can have some privacy. Also, make sure the machine isn't installed in a place exposed to direct sunlight or rain. If there isn't a switchboard on the wall, the 5-ampere switchboard provided with the machine can be installed nearby. If the switch is far from the machine, additional wiring might be needed to connect it. For this, you should seek help from a local electrician. Now, make 2 marks on the wall to hang the machine. The height of the holes should generally be about 5 to 5.5 feet from the ground. Based on the height of the students, make the correct decision. Determine the location and height based on local conditions. Drill holes with a drill machine. Insert the wall plugs into the holes and then put in the screws. Then, carefully lift the machine and hang it on these screws. Make sure the machine is straight and securely attached. Now, the antenna needs to be installed. Fasten the antenna tightly with a screw into the slot provided on top of the machine. Make sure the antenna is pointing upwards or outwards so that it gets good network reception. Now, make the electrical connection. Plug the machine's power cable into the switchboard and turn the switch on. Now, to power on the machine, open its door with one of the keys provided. After opening the door, press the red on-off button inside, which will turn on the machine. Then close the door and lock it. Now pay attention to the screen. It should light up. After that, wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Soon, the network signal will appear on the screen. The machine's number will also be displayed on the screen. Please make a note of it. Now, test the machine once. Fill both spring holders in the machine with 10 to 15 trifold pads equally. Gently press the yellow button on the outside. A pad should dispense from the bottom. Make sure the pad isn't getting stuck and is coming out correctly. Now close the door and lock the machine securely. Double check from the outside that the machine appears straight, secure and clean. Now, note down the machine number that appeared on the screen and send a photo of the machine to the Pinkish team. Some important points. Install the machine in a way that protects it from water or rain. Don't leave the wiring or switch loose. If there's any malfunction, call the number written on the machine or contact the Pinkish team directly. Congratulations! The machine has been installed.